What is up, everybody? Today we're gonna see how corn dogs were made. Yeah, it looks weird. Sorry for the commercial.
Hot dog.
Now my brother here, Vince Hernandez. Oh shoot, sorry. To start over. Why would you watch how to make hot dogs? How corn dogs are made? Yeah, corn dogs. Hot dogs. Just get a wiener and a bun and then that looks weird. Comment down below what kind of reactions you want me to do. Those are a lot of winners. I bet they made mine like that. Okay. They put like some kind of a sauce for it. It gets dry and then they put some kind of a sauce and then they fry it. Okay. They fry it. That's the paint shooting, eh? Oh. Paint. So, guys, that is how corn dogs are made. Sorry if I disgust you with all of that weenies. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys.
And have a weenie day.
Peace out, guys.
Yeah.